Hello guys, for today's activity, we are gonna make some Play-Doh. Yes, we're gonna make Play-Doh at home. So I've written out the recipe. I'm gonna bring my board over so you can see the recipe. So for the recipe, for our making Play-Doh, we have 1 cup of water, we have 3 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1/2 cup of oil. Okay, so I'm gonna sit that down right there so that you can see my ingredients. Now I'm gonna show them to you. Okay, first I have my measuring tools. And this is my measuring cup. So this is 1 cup. And you can see it says it right there on the handle. 1 cup. Right there. Wait a minute, let me get my finger right. 1 cup. So this is my 1 cup. So I'll need this for water, okay? And I'll need 3 of these for the flour. And then I'll need 1.5 teaspoons. So I don't have that together. So what I do have is I have 1 teaspoon right there. And then this is 1/2 of teaspoon right here. And if you can see the difference, one is slightly bigger than the other. This is the 1 teaspoon and this is the 1/2 teaspoon. And I'll need that for the salt. And then I'll need a 1/4 cup, and this says right here on it, 1/4 cup for 1/4 cup, and this is for the oil that I'll need. Now I'm gonna show you the ingredients, what they look like. This is water. This is flour. This is salt. And this is oil. So now that I have all my ingredients together, we're gonna put them together, but I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna do it, okay? So it says, first, in a large bowl, like so, we're gonna mix my ingredients, okay? So first I'm going to put in I think I'm gonna go a little different, a little out of order. That way you can watch me as I go along. Because I know in one part it says if it's still a little sticky, you might need to add a little bit more flour. So guys, you can practice this. While I'm doing it, we can do it together, okay? So I'm gonna take my measuring cup, 1 cup. I'm gonna put it in there and I'm shaking it so I get it even like that, so it's not too high. And I'm gonna pour that in my bowl. That's 1. Count it out with me. 2. And 3. So that's your 3 cups of flour. Sit that over to the side. Then I'm gonna put in I'm gonna do my salt in it next. Since salt and flour are kind of white, we'll put them in together. So here's my 1 teaspoon of salt. And then that's my 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I said oops because it went over a little bit. Now I'm gonna put in my 1 cup of water. Risen, I'm gonna need your assistance. And then I'm gonna use my 1/2 cup of oil. This is not 1/2 cup. This says 1/4 cup of oil. Now I have everything in my bowl. Risen! So I want you to see what it looks like. I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna show you my bowl. And then maybe I'll spin the camera around. And you can see. There's everything in my bowl. There's my water, my salt, my oil, and my flour. All mixed up in the bowl. Let me get that out the window. Now I'm gonna walk over to the table, to the kitchen, and I'm gonna get a spoon to stir it. And I thought about it, I said, I wanna get a spoon that maybe it won't stick so bad. I don't have a wooden spoon, but I do have like a spatula. So we're gonna mix it up, and I'll let you see as I mix it up, okay? I'll turn my camera. Okay, there's my camera. So I'm gonna start to mixing it around and around, okay? And you can do this at home. And as you see, the texture is kind of it's loose with the water, but as I move it around with the flour, it starts getting thicker. So I'm gonna see if you can see this as I stir it. I'll hold that up and then I'll stir it like this. So you can see as I move it around, how it starts to get thicker. It's coming together. And the more you move it around, it's gonna kind of form into the shape of a ball. So make sure this was a good idea to use this spatula so I can get it off the sides really good and bring it back to the center. Okay, I'm moving it around. I'm moving it around. It's forming a ball. And then after I mix it up, it says, add more flour if the mixture is too sticky. But once I put it in a large resealable bag, and a resealable bag is like a Ziploc bag. Okay, I'm moving it around. I did really good. I think I did really good, guys. I'm gonna show it to you. See, look, hardly none stuck to my spatula. So that's a good mixture right there. That was easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little steps. Worked out really good for me. Can you get me a Ziploc bag out the bottom drawer over there beside the sink? They're next to the bottom drawer, beside the sink. And you know what I thought about, guys? I thought, I bet you if I would have added some, I'm gonna put my hands on it to see how it feels. Now, it's a little cool, and it is a little sticky, but not too sticky because you see how it's moving around in the bowl? Big one. So I'm gonna take a little bit more, like a little handful, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it around in there like that, so I can move it around. It's my Play-Doh, and I think I got it just about right, so I can press it with my fingers like that. Feels nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna hold it up. Look, I can just pick it up with one hand. I'm gonna put it together with 2 hands. And I'm gonna move it around. Look at that. That's nice. And now, Rizza, can you assist me and open up my bag? My large resealable bag? Wow, guys, that was easy. And it feels really good and really cool, okay? Rizza is gonna assist me with the bag. This is my large resealable bag. I'm gonna plop it in there. Ta-da. And you know what, guys? Rizza, can you take all this over to the side? I can squeeze it around in the bag. And look at there. It feels really good. And look, I'm gonna squeeze it up, watch. And it's not sticking. I can move it around just like that. Ta-da. I like it. Well, there you go, guys. There you have it. Our Play-Doh. Please try this at home. It's really fun. Remember, we only needed a few ingredients. 4. We needed 1 cup of water. We needed 3 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and a 1/4 cup of oil. And voila, magic. Oh, don't forget the big bowl to mix it all in. And there you got it. And you know what? On this, I could write my name and date. Play-Doh made on May the 14th, and I have it in the bag, okay? I hope you enjoyed this activity. Try it at home. Let me know how it turns out.